What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been about a week since I've made one, so I just wanted to give a little bit of an update on the stock market, my current plan, and what I'm watching for, as well as some update on the SPACs that I'm invested in. So just to get started, looks like we are reaching some all-time highs. Market is still very overvalued, so I've basically just been dollar cost averaging down when I see some deals out there. That way I don't miss out on anything, but I'm also keeping cash pretty heavy for when we do have a pullback eventually. Update on the stimulus, there's still no real help. I know Trump signed some executive orders, but we're still not getting that $1,200 stimulus check yet. And the other stuff just I don't think is going to make that much of an impact, at least on me. I wanted to ask you guys if you expect a pullback coming, and if so, when. My prediction would be probably after the election, especially if Trump isn't elected. Then typically, from what I've researched, there's usually a drop in the stock market. But that's just my opinion and what I've read, so we'll definitely see. I'm definitely staying cash heavy for around election time. Okay, let's get into the SPACs. I know this is why most of you watch my videos, so let's talk about this first. FMCI, I am still holding and being very patient with these positions. Honestly, to make real money, you just have to be patient and wait for the ticker to change and the hype to really build up around them. I know that they have to have this done before September 30th from what I've read, so I'm just staying patient. Their stock is actually starting to shoot up a little bit, as well as BurgerFi. Still holding, being patient. And then for Hyliion, still holding. I really do believe in this company, so I'm really not too worried about it. And they've actually been staying around that $20 price pretty nicely, so it's been, I'm not really worried about it. And I know they are going to be announcing their official merger date, probably at the end of August. Another one that I'm actually watching very closely is PSTH. That's Bill Ackman's SPAC. And there's been talks that it could be the Robinhood IPO or Airbnb. So I'd be interested in both of those, to be honest. And I'm going to keep up with news on that one. Around the other SPACs, I just haven't really heard any groundbreaking news on any of these. I've just been watching them and, trying to read more about them. But, it's pretty much going to come down to just that ticker change and the hype building up around them. And these really do test your patience as an investor because, when you bought in, maybe you bought in BurgerFi at like $15 like I did, and now it's, it's at $12, and it sucks to see that. But if you just hold long term, I'm very confident BurgerFi will be over $15, and it's not that big of a deal to me. So tech seems to be taking a bit of a hit. I know yesterday and today prices are down for most of the tech stocks. And I'm watching these very closely. I do think that they're starting to top off on their highs. And, that's great news because I would like to buy all of these at much lower prices. Apple has their split coming. Microsoft's in talks with TikTok. Visa is actually up today, trading around $200. But it's a stock that I really want for the future, along with Square. I do believe in the future we're going to be phasing out cash, and digital payment methods are going to be the way to go. You could also buy into ARKF, which is the financial tech ETF that ARK has. AMD, just more growth potential with that. I really think it's a great company, and I did sell out a little bit too early, but now that they're having a pullback, I'm thinking about buying back in and holding for the long term. Facebook, I have been holding that for a while now, and I don't plan on selling anytime soon. The stock has really shot up, and I think my average cost is around $170, so definitely looking to buy more, just not at its current valuation. Triple Q, that's a long-term tech ETF for me. It's returned already so much for me that, I hope to buy more, just not at its current price. And then Tesla is actually pulling back a bit, so I bought some more, but I'm always looking to buy more Tesla and hold long term. On to the other stocks, pretty much recession stocks, so airlines, resorts, food, places. I'm not selling off a ton of stocks, but I am thinking about trimming these positions off. I held them a lot longer than I expected to hold them. I'm profitable on pretty much everything except Dave and Buster's, and I'm just, it's shooting up today, so that's nice. I might sell them off. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet, but I really would like to leverage this money for more buying power coming up. But let me know what you guys think. Are you guys holding your airlines, your resorts? I'm still holding Delta, Southwest, and I have Wynn Resorts, and they're all profitable for me already. Pretty much the only one that's hurting me is Dave and Buster's, but I'm only about $2 away from being profitable on it. So let me know in the comments if you guys are still holding your recession stocks and if you're waiting long term on them. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to get back into the swing of things and get some more videos out there. I didn't have too much to make a video on just because there hasn't been much that's been going on for me personally in the stock market. I've pretty much just been holding and waiting for some things to happen for me. We're almost to 1,000 subs, which is insane. I can't believe I'm almost there already. So thank you guys so much for that. Let me know what other videos you want me to make. If you guys like the SPAC videos, some dividend videos, just certain companies, drop a comment below and I will work on those. And then I wanted to ask you guys, what should I do for my 1K sub video? So do you guys want like an entire portfolio reveal, something random like a calorie challenge, any other ideas you may have? Just drop a comment and I'll try to pick the most popular one. That's pretty much it, guys. Have a good one.
Stacking vertical, ooh, counting sideways, ooh, ain't by my cake, ooh, get out my